Hello guys, today we're gonna try CarPro Hydrofoam. As you can see the direction, dilute ratio is 1 to 9. So it's about 110 milliliters into the foam lens. Usually I use this as a post-wash sealant coating, but they stated that this can be used as a wash and coat in one step. So let's see. It's not bad, but it will be better if you use this as a post-wash. I will reapply again after I wash the car. And this is amount without washing and hit by countless rain. I like it. You can check the links in the description. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.